Hey everybody, this is Carrie with Trail Traveler, and we're about to release a video on Canyonlands National Park, specifically White Rim Trail. Now, if you've been paying attention, back in October, the National Park Service changed a ruling that requires anybody like me coming in to the park, any national park, to obtain a commercial film permit. That's not just for Hollywood productions anymore, or big budget things, or things with sets. It's anybody with YouTube, TikTok, any platform that gets monetized. And as far as I understand, that doesn't mean me being monetized. It means YouTube making money off of it makes it commercial. Well, that's kind of a problem because permits are expensive, there's application fees, there's all kinds of things. And some people who have tried to get permits here in Canyonlands have found it to be prohibitively restrictive. And it really depends on where. So one channel I was watching, he was trying to get a permit for an area that has some historical petroglyphs that they just don't really want everybody and their brother to know about. And so they were basically told that they could only do certain things, certain activities, certain types of filming. They had to have a park chaperone with them at a cost of $50 an hour, including their travel. It was insane. Now, for me, I did go through the official process. I went through the official channels. I called the phone number that's associated with Canyonlands and Arches National Park. I talked to their commercial film person, and we went through the process. We went through the whole permit process. I had to explain exactly what we were doing, what dates we were going to be doing it, where we were going to be staying, what things we were going to be shooting, all the different things that we had planned for this trip. And they approved it. And so here we are, being able to legally film here inside of Canyonlands. We have permission to shoot here. So I know that people are going to watch the video and go, hey, you can't do that. Well, we did. We did it officially. We did it legally. We went through the process, and it was, on one hand, I'd like to say it wasn't fun because I don't think I should have to do that. On the other hand, the person, I'm not going to name names or point people out or anything, but I will say that the person that I dealt with who's responsible for the Arches and Canyonlands was awesome. He was fantastic to deal with. He was easy to deal with. He looked at our previous White Rim Trail videos and said that's pretty much exactly what they want. They want people to come to the park. They want people to see the park. The people who can't make it here, they want videos like that. And so he was very, very easy to work with. And kudos to everybody. Big thanks to everybody with the National Park Service who have been supportive of this project. Now, I know that's not the same for every YouTuber who's trying to do videos in national parks, and I'm sorry that you guys are having problems. All I can do is speak from my experience here in Canyonlands, specifically on White Rim Trail, which is all we are filming, that I really didn't have any issues. And again, I don't think I should have to go through this type of process for what we do, but I did it because we already had this date planned. We already have another date planned during the summer, and I wanted to make sure that I wasn't going to have any issues. Now, what you will not see on any of these videos is drone footage, because regardless of whatever permits are available, shooting with a drone in this park is an absolute no-go. It is not allowed. There was no possible way of getting any type of permit that would allow me to fly a drone inside of Canyonlands. So, sorry about that. I know a lot of you guys comment on the drone footage that we do, and as much as I would love to have had that, even if it was just following the cars or doing some side shots in some places where it was very difficult to do ground footage, I would have loved to have had that footage, but it just wasn't possible. There was no possible way to get that permission. But we did get permission to do the ground footage, and that's what we are going to present to you in our video. So, wanted to put this out there, wanted to say, yes, We did film legally. We do know the rules. We did work with the Park Service, and they were fantastic to work with. So, all that said, please watch the video. We've put a lot of effort into the White Rum Trail video, and we hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, everybody. From Katarina and myself, we very much appreciate all the support out there. Be safe out there. We'll see you on the trails.